In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Raid web store payment not working. Intro. Now, first things first, make sure that you are logged into the web store with the correct player ID. Make sure that you check the nickname and the player ID shown in the store match and the account that you use in Raid. They got to match those. In the payment method section, you want to make sure that whatever you're trying to use is actually showing up. If it isn't showing up at all, player recommends contacting support and providing your country and the payment method you're trying to use. You can also remove and re-add a saved credit card from the Raid web store since saved cards are managed through your Plarium account. After that, just try a different browser, disable any VPNs or proxies, and reload the store. And if the payment is still being declined, contact your bank or payment provider in the case that they're blocking the transaction. And if everything still looks correct but it's still failing, contact Plarium support that they can check for some sort of store or account side payment issue. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.